Audible?
Yes, audible.
Which of the following option in MS Word is used to create your table by creating cell, row, and column borders? Which option in MS Word is used to create your table? Create table, quick table, draw table, insert table.
Draw table.
Draw table.
बहुत बढ़िया draw table. Draw table option is used in MS Word to create your table. Screenshot option is available in which tab of MS Word?
Insert.
Insert.
Insert. Which shortcut key is used to go to the File tab in MS Word? Which shortcut key is used
Uh,
to go to the File tab in MS Word?
Alt F.
Alt plus N, Alt plus F, Alt plus H, Alt plus G.
Alt plus F.
बिल्कुल Alt plus F. Shortcut key is used to go to the File tab in MS Word. Which of the following command is not related to page setup menu in MS Word? MS Word रे पेज सेटअप मेन्यू रे को कमांड न थाए पेपर साइज पेज कलर मार्जिन्स ओरिएंटेशंस
Page color.
Page color.
पेज कलर बिल्कुल
Margin.
पेज
Page
कलर न
color.
थाए पेज कलर ऑप्शन इज अवेलेबल इन पेज बैकग्राउंड मेनू द कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट टू ओपन अ न्यू ब्लैंक डॉक्यूमेंट इज व्हाट कंट्रोल प्लस एन
Control N.
Control
कंट्रोल
N.
प्लस
Control
एन
plus N.
बिल्कुल कंट्रोल प्लस एन फॉर नोज Control plus N shortcut key is used to open a new blank document in MS Word. Which of the following menu enables you to switch between single page and two page views in MS Word? Home, View, Review, Design.
View.
View.
View. View.
Cool. View menu enables you to switch between single page and two page views in MS Word. A reference to data that reader can directly follow by selecting is called what? Hypermarkup, hypermedia, hyperlink, hypertext.
Hyper. Hyperlink.
Hypertext.
बिल्कुल
Hypertext.
hyperlink,
Hyperlink.
hyperlink,
Link. Sorry.
a reference to data that reader can directly follow by selecting is hyperlink. Which shortcut key is used to access insert hyperlink window in MS Word?
Control K.
Control plus K.
बहुत बढ़िया Control plus K opens the hyperlink window. Find and replace window को shortcut key
Control plus
Control
H.
plus H.
बिल्कुल Control plus H opens the find and replace window, which is not a valid tab in table properties window in MS Word. Which is not a valid tab in table properties window in MS Word. Row, column, table, sheet.
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 बिल्कुल sheet is not a valid tab. Which MS Word features draws a line passing through the text? Underline, strike through, subscript,
Strike
drop cap.
through.
Strike through.
Strike through.
Strike through.
Strike through, बिल्कुल strike through feature draws a line passing through the text. In MS Word, options like bold, underline, and italic appear under which menu? Design, review,
Home.
home, insert.
Home.
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 बिल्कुल home menu. In home menu, options like bold, underline, and italic appear. Which of the following option is not available in page setup group of layout tab in MS Word? Layout tab ର page setup group ରେ କୋଉ ନିମ୍ନଲିଖିତ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ କୋଉ ଅପସନ୍ ନଥାଏ? Spacing, hyphenation, line numbers, breaks.
Hyphenation.
Page setup group ରେ କୋଉଟା ନଥାଏ?
Hmm.
स्पेसिंग न थाए लाइन नंबर थाए हाइफेनेशन थाए ब्रेक्स थाए साइज थाए ओरिएंटेशन ऑप्शंस भी थाए जब कि स्पेसिंगटा अवेलेबल थाए पैराग्राफ ग्रुप रे नॉट पेज सेटअप ग्रुप इन MS Word the keyboard shortcut control plus E is used for which of the following purposes
Center
Center.
align.
Center align.
Justi-
Center align.
justify text center text right align text left align text
Center text.
The text.
बिल्कुल सेंटर टेक्स्ट लेफ्ट अलाइन टेक्स्ट है कंट्रोल प्लस एल राइट अलाइन
Yes.
टेक्स्ट है कंट्रोल प्लस आर एंड जस्टिफाई है कंट्रोल प्लस जे which of the following options is not available in the editing group of home tab in MS Word home tab रो editing group रे को ऑप्शन न थाए find replace start dictation select को ऑप्शन न थाए
Select.
editing रे सिलेक्ट थाए फाइंड भी थाए रिप्लेस भी थाए
Option C.
स्टार्ट डिक्टेशन ऑप्शन न थाए which of the following is not a menu bar option in MS Word मेनू बार रे निम्नलिखित मध्यरु को ऑप्शन न थाए रेफरेंसेस डिक्टेट मेलिंग्स डेवलपर
Developer.
Mailing.
डिक्टेट डिक्टेट इज नॉट an option under menu bar home insert references mailing developer ସବୁ ଥାଏ menu bar ରେ a footnote appears dash in an MS Word document କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ଥାଏ footnote top of page
Bottom.
top of the document
Bottom.
bottom of page below the document
Bottom of the
Bottom
page.
of the bottom of the
page bottom of page the bottom of page ରେ ଥାଏ footnote which of the following options of page setup is used to select the page size for a document in MS Word which option of page setup is used to select the page size for a document columns margins size orientation
Size.
size बिल्कुल the
size.
size option of page setup is used to select the page size for the document in MS Word which of the following is not a valid option in delete cell pop-up window while deleting a row or column in a table को ऑप्शन आसेनी डिलीट कला बेले delete entire row shift cells left shift cells up shift cells right
Of.
right न थाए बिल्कुल shift cells left थाए shift cells up थाए delete entire row थाए shift cells right न थाए ଭଏସ୍ ଶୁଭୁନି ମୋବାଇଲରେ କିଛି ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଥିବ ଭଏସ୍ ଶୁଭୁନି କି
Oh, okay.
କେମିତି ଶୁଭୁନି which is
ତାଙ୍କ headphone କାମ କରୁନି.
ତାଙ୍କ earphone ଖରାପ.
ଯଦି ଇୟରଫୋନ୍ ଲଗେଇଛ ହେଲେ ସେ ସେଟିଂସରେ କିଛି ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଥିବ ଏଲାଉ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ which of the following is not a character formatting option in MS Word character formatting option କୋଉଟା ନୁହଁ underline indentation effects font style କୋଉଟା character formatting option ନୁହେଁ underline font style indentation effects
Effect.
Font style. এটা তো ଅଛି character.
indentation is a paragraph formatting option character formatting option है इफेक्ट अंडरलाइन फॉन्ट स्टाइल एगुड़ा सब कैरेक्टर फॉर्मेटिंग रे थाए पैराग्राफ फॉर्मेटिंग रे थाए इंडेंटेशन which of the following options is used to set the layout option of a page in MS Word पेज रो लेआउट ऑप्शन सेट करिया पई को ऑप्शन अछि रिव्यू पेज सेटअप डिजाइन ड्रॉ पेज
Page
सेटअप
setup.
बिल्कुल पेज सेटअप ऑप्शन इज यूज्ड टू सेट द लेआउट एंड प्रिंट ऑप्शंस ऑफ ए पेज इन MS Word which of the following options in MS Word changes the on-screen font size without affecting any other features changes the on-screen font size on-screen जोटा screen रे देखौथुवा without affecting any other features subscript superscript zoom change case
जूम
जूम बिल्कुल जूम कले किछि चेंज हबनी ओनली फॉन्ट साइज टा चेंज हो जाए छोट बड़ जहाँ which keyboard shortcut is used to create a new blank document in MS Word?
Control+N.
Control plus N. Which of the following option steps can be used to select a particular word in MS Word document? Left click on the word twice, left click on the word thrice, left click once on the word, right click once on the word.
Twice.
Twice.
बिल्कुल left click twice on the word. The Control plus W keyboard shortcut is used for which purpose in MS Word?
Close.
Close the currently open document. Which of the following steps can be used in MS Word to save an open document under a different name to a different location? Option hala home, then save, view,
सेवन
then save, layout, then save, file, then save as.
फाइल सेवन
File और
Save
save
as.
as.
बिल्कुल file and save as option is used to save an open document under a different name to a different location. Which option of MS Word is used to change the background color of selected text, paragraph, or table cell? Change the background color of selected text, paragraph, or table cell. Text effects, font color, text highlight color, shading. Which option in MS Word is used to change the background color of selected text, paragraph, or table cell?
अच्छा
Shading option. Shading option is used in MS Word to change the color behind the selected paragraph or table cell. Which tab is the default tab in MS Word? File, Home, Design, Layout.
Home.
Home tab,
Home.
बिल्कुल. Home is the default tab in MS Word. କୋଉ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସଟା ରଙ୍ଗ ଅଛି କହିବ with respect to MS Word document? Footers help users to repeat content at the bottom of every page. ठीक ना भूल? Footers help users to repeat content at the bottom of every page.
ठीक है
भूल
जी.
है.
ठीक है
भूल.
ठीक ଅଛି. Footers help users to repeat content at the bottom of every page. Headers help users to repeat content at the top of every page.
ठीक
ठीक
है
है.
जी.
ठीक है
ठीक ଅଛି बिल्कुल. Page numbers can appear either at the top or the bottom of every page.
ठीक है जी.
ठीक है.
A single document cannot have both Roman and Arabic numerals as page numbers.
ठीक है जी.
ठीक है
भूल ଅଛି.
ठीक है
ଭୁଲ ଅଛି. ହେଇପାରିବ. କାହିଁ ହେଇପାରିବ? ସିଙ୍ଗଲ ପେଜ୍ ଥୋଡ଼ି ନା କହୁଛି, ସିଙ୍ଗଲ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ କହିଲା ସେ.
अच्छा पेज
ସିଙ୍ଗଲ
भी तो ही
ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟର
करेगा
ହେଇପାରିବ. ରୋମାନରେ ବି ହେଇପାରିବ, ଆରବିକ୍ ନ୍ୟୁମେରାଲ ହେଇପାରିବ ପେଜ୍ ନମ୍ବର. Which command does not affect text font? टेक्स्ट फॉन्ट को कोଉ କମାଣ୍ଡଟା affect କରେନି? Underline, italic, border, bold.
Border.
border बिल्कुल.
Border.
border କଲେ କିଛି ହବନି. टेक्स्ट ଫଣ୍ଟ ସହିତ କ'ଣ ରିଲେସନ? Which is not a valid option to insert rows and columns in MS Word? Table. In MS Word table रे रो कॉलम इंसर्ट करिया ପାଇଁ कोटा valid option नुहे. Insert left, insert right, insert between, insert below.
Insert right.
insert between ନଥାଏ. insert between ନଥାଏ. insert left, right, below ଥାଏ. In MS Word, if you press the tab key within a table, the cursor moves you to the which place?
नेक्स्ट
Next.
स्टेप
Next. Cell.
ऑप्शन कौची सुन नेक्स्ट टेबल प्रीवियस रो प्रीवियस कॉलम नेक्स्ट कॉलम
Next
Next
column.
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 next column in MS Word the tab key is used to move from one column to another in a table. In MS Word which shortcut key is used to add a new row at the end of the table? Tab, Alt plus end, Alt plus page up, Alt plus page down.
Tab.
Tab, बिल्कुल tab. To add a row at the end of the table, click the last cell of the last row and then press tab key. MS Word is basically used for which purpose? Creating databases, preparing slides, preparing various documents, analyzing the data.
Documents.
बिल्कुल
Document.
preparing the various documents. To copy a sentence in a document and paste it to a different part of the document, which of the following sequence is used? ହେଲା पूरा सुनिल to copy a sentence in a document and paste it to a different part of the document, which of the following sequence is used? Cut, copy, paste, select, edit, paste, copy, cut, paste, select, copy, paste.
Copy, cut, paste.
Select, copy, paste.
Copy paste.
बिल्कुल सिलेक्ट कॉपी पेस्ट एटी कट कथा कहूनी से मुव करिया कथा कहूनी कॉपी कथा कहूची से कॉपी ए सेंटेंस कट रो तो कथा ही आसुनी एठी तो सेति पे कॉपी करियो माने फास्ट सिलेक्ट करिवो सिलेक्ट कॉपी देन पेस्ट सिलेक्ट करिया पे कंट्रोल प्लस ए देन कंट्रोल प्लस सी देन कंट्रोल प्लस जी
G.
V.
Under which tab do you find preview results in MS Word? Under which tab you find preview results in MS Word? View, design, references, mailings.
View.
View.
Mailings. Under mailings menu tab, you will find preview results options. Author screenshot option is available under which tab of MS Word?
Insert tab.
Insert.
Insert बिल्कुल. Which tab in font group box contains options to apply font effects in MS Word? Font tab, standard toolbar, character spacing, text effects.
Toolbar. Standard toolbar.
फॉन्ट टैब रे थाए फॉन्ट इफेक्ट सब कोठी थाए फॉन्ट इफेक्ट सब फॉन्ट टैब रे थाए व्हिच कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट इज यूज्ड टू ओपन फॉन्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स इन एमएस वर्ड
Control D.
बहुत बढ़िया कंट्रोल प्लस डी इज यूज्ड टू ओपन द फॉन्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स इन एमएस वर्ड सर्च बॉक्स ओपन करिया पे कंट्रोल
Control
एफ कंट्रोल
F.
प्लस एफ बिल्कुल व्हिच कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट इज यूज्ड टू गो टू द एंड ऑफ द एमएस वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट
Control N.
कंट्रोल प्लस एंड
N.
ना ऑल्ट प्लस एंड
End. Alt plus.
Alt and
नाम कंट्रोल प्लस एंड Control plus end shortcut key is used to go to the end of the MS Word document. Alt plus D hela select the URL in address bar. Address bar रे URL select करिया पे Alt plus D. आ font dialog box open करिया पे Control plus D. Which shortcut key is used to activate the font dialog box in MS Word?
Control D.
Control D.
D बिल्कुल. Which word is associated with the font option of a word processor? Font option सहित निम्नलिखित मध्यरु को wordटा associated? Style, align, bullet, outline.
Style.
Style.
Well, font style. Microsoft Word is an example of what? System software, application software, database, operating system.
Application
Application
software.
software.
Application software.
Application software. Which of the following is not a word processor? WordPad, Microsoft Word, OpenOffice Writer, OpenOffice Impress.
Impress.
Last.
Pro.
OpenOffice Impress, बिल्कुल. In MS Word, dash means making changes to your text, transferring, editing, copying, selecting.
Editing.
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 Editing, बिल्कुल. Which of the following is not an example of word processor? Google Docs, MS Access, WordPad, MS Word.
MS
MS
Excel.
Access.
MS Access, बिल्कुल. Multimedia software usually do not incorporate which of the following? Word document, sound, images,
Document.
video sequence.
Word
Word
document.
document.
Word document, बिल्कुल. Mohan wants to prepare an invitation letter to invite people to his birthday party. Which application software would be best suited for Mohan to prepare invitation letter? MS Word,
Word.
MS Access, Notepad, MS Excel.
Word. MS.
Word.
MS Word.
Word.
Google Docs is an example of what? Workbook, worksheet, word processor, document compressor.
Word.
Word.
Word processor.
Word.
Processor, बिल्कुल. In MS Word 2007, what is the file extension when it is saved as Word document? .dox, .doc, .docx, .doxc.
DO.
DO.
Not a DOCX.
Not DOC.
.docx. In the context of a Word document, the word gutter is used for what? The space,
Margin.
Binding paper.
बिल्कुल. सिविंग एंड बाइंडिंग ପାଇଁ जो ଗୋଟେ ସାଇଡରେ ସ୍ପେସ୍ ଥାଏ ତାକୁ କହନ୍ତି ଗଟର. MS Word ରେ. A gutter margin adds extra space to the side margin, top margin or inside margin of a document that you plan to bind. Mail merge is a component of what? WordPress, MS Access, MS Word, MS Excel.
MS Word.
Word.
MS Word, बिल्कुल.
Word.
ଏବେ ଆମର କାମରେ ଆସୁଛି ସେଇଟା ଅଫିସରେ. Mail merge is a component of Word. ମାନେ ଏଥିରେ ତମେ ମଲ୍ଟିପୁଲ ପିପଲକୁ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ତମେ ପଠେଇ ପାରିବ ମେଲ୍ ୱାର୍ଡ ଥ୍ରୁରେ. In MS Word, you can create automate frequently used tasks by creating and running what? You can create automated frequently used tasks using by creating what and running what? Hyperlink, mail merge, macro, document map.
Mail mode.
Macro,
Macro.
macro, बिल्कुल macro. In MS Word, macro is a series of commands that you group together as a single command to complete a task automatically. बहुत पड़े एटा मेल मर्ज और macro. Which of the following components of MS Office is categorically similar to Notepad? MS PowerPoint, MS
Word.
Word, MS Access, MS Excel.
MS Word.
MS Word.
MS Word. You can start MS Word by using dash button. New, start, program, control panel.
Program.
Program बिल्कुल.
Program.
When all program, then MS Word. Default zoom level in Word is set at dash percentage.
400.
500.
400.
Default कौची बा default 500 था खोलिले
Sir, 10.
Default.
10.
100.
10.
100%. 100%.
100.
बिल्कुल 100%. Minimum zoom percentage in MS Word
10.
10%.
10.
Maximum zoom percentage
500.
500.
500.
500. In MS Word, spell check is under which menu? Edit, tools, review, format.
Review.
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 ରିଭ୍ୟୁରେ ଅଛି।
ହଁ ରିଭ୍ୟୁରେ।
ଏଠି ଉଲ୍ଟା ଦେଇଛି ନା କ'ଣ ତାହେଲେ? ଟୁଲ୍ ମେନୁ କହୁଛି। ହଁ ହଁ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ଲେଖିଛି ଲେଟେଷ୍ଟ ଭର୍ସନ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଫାଉଣ୍ଡ ଅଣ୍ଡର ରିଭ୍ୟୁ ଟ୍ୟାବ୍। Which of the following is not a inbuilt feature of MS Word? MS Word रे inbuilt कोटा न थाए। लाइव स्ट्रीम, स्पेल चेक, ट्रांसलेट, थेसारस।
First,
लाइव
live.
स्ट्रीम।
लाइव स्ट्रीम।
लाइव स्ट्रीम बिल्कुल। स्पेल चेक भी था, थेसारस भी था, ट्रांसलेशन भी था इनबिल्ट। Which of the following option will be used to insert page break in Word document? Insert and copy, insert and enter, insert and break, insert and delete.
Insert
चल
and
ब्रेक।
Enter.
ब्रेक।
Insert and break बिल्कुल। Which is a customizable bar that comes with a set of independent commands and gives you an easy reach to commands like save, undo, redo, etc. in MS Word. Title bar, quick access toolbar, status bar, menu bar.
क्विक एक्सेस।
Quick access
क्विक
quick
एक्सेस
access
टूलबार।
toolbar.
टूलबार।
बिल्कुल क्विक एक्सेस टूलबार। Which of the following is এটা ছাড়া হইতলা। Which of the following is not a basic text formatting feature? Italic, capitalize, underline, bold.
कैपिटलाइज।
Capitalize.
Capitalize. How many different methods are there to save a document? 1, 2, 3, 5.
3. 3.
थ्री।
3. Cool. By using Ctrl plus S, by file option, by using quick access toolbar. Which is the default body font in MS Word 2007? Cambria, Arial, Calibri, Times New Roman.
Calibri.
Calibri।
बिल्कुल Calibri. Which of the following options is not provided by MS Word to change the case of selected text in a document? Uppercase, lowercase, sentence case, word case.
Word
वार्ड
case.
के।
Word case होता है। 5टा केस था। Sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, toggle case. In MS Word, which view option shows the content of a document in the form of bullet point? Outline, draft, web layout, print layout.
Outline.
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 In MS Word, outline tool shows the content of a document in the form of bullet point. Next କ'ଣ ଥିଲା ଆଉ? କ'ଣ ଗୋଟେ ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ଲିଙ୍କ ଗୋଟେ ଆସିବ।
टाइगर रिजर्व।
टाइगर रिजर्व। ବହୁତ ବାଘ ଦେଖୁଛ ଆଉ ନାଇଁ?
नेशनल ज्योग्राफी।
ଆଉ ତମ ଗାଁରେ ବାଘମାନେ କେମିତି ଅଛନ୍ତି?
ଆମ ଗାଁରେ ଖାଲି ବିରାଡି।
ବିରାଡ଼ି। କ'ଣ ବିରାଡ଼ି ରଖୁଛ ଖାଲି? टाइगर रिजर्व, मेलघाट टाइगर रिजर्व,
महाराष्ट्र।
Maharashtra.
महाराष्ट्र। अचानकमार टाइगर रिजर्व,
छत्तीसगढ़।
Chhattisgarh.
छत्तीसगढ़। कान्हा टाइगर रिजर्व,
मध्य
Madhya
प्रदेश।
Pradesh.
मध्य प्रदेश। सुंदरबंस टाइगर रिजर्व,
West
वेस्ट
Bengal.
बंगाल।
West Bengal.
वेस्ट बंगाल। सारिस्का टाइगर रिजर्व,
राजस्थान।
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan.
राजस्थान। पक्के टाइगर रिजर्व,
Arunachal Pradesh.
अरुणाचल
Arunachal
प्रदेश।
Pradesh.
अरुणाचल प्रदेश। कॉर्बेट टाइगर रिजर्व,
उत्तराखंड।
Ladakh.
हाँ,
Uttarakhand.
उत्तराखंड।
Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand.
उत्तराखंड। सिमिलीपाल टाइगर रिजर्व,
Odisha.
उड़ीसा।